Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the logical operators. So first of all, what is the logical operators? The logical operator is used to make the decisions. Here I have already opened the previous project. Here you see that this is the equality operator and it is also the logical operator, and it is used to make the decision when we are comparing the two numbers whether they are equal or not. So now here I'm going to teach you some other logical operators. So first of all, here I'm going to create the if statement and then the parentheses, and here is the else. And now here first of all I'm going to provide the equality operator, another equality operator whose name is not equal. And now I'm gonna provide another variable that is age, and here is its value. And now here I'm gonna provide if age is not equal to 9. So here if the age is not equal to 9, so it print this block of code, and if the age is equal to 9, so it print the else part of the code. So now let's check it. Here is the sys out, control space, and here is true. And now here I'm going to provide sys out, and here is its false. And now let's run it, and here you see that it's true because 10 is not equal to 9, so it print this statement. And here I'm gonna make it 10, so it print false. Here is the false. And now here I'm gonna show you another operator that are the relational operator. It involves the greater than, lesser than signs. So now here I'm gonna provide lesser than sign. So if the age is less than 10, so it print this statement that is true, and if the age is greater than 10, so it print this statement. So now here I'm going to change the value because the both values are same. So now let's execute it. Here the age is not less than 9, so because the age have the 10 value, so it greater than 9, so it print false. And here I'm gonna make it 8. So now let's execute it, and here you see that it's true because the age is 8 and it's less than 9. And you can also able to provide greater than sign. And now here I'm gonna provide 7. So now age is greater than 7, so it's true. And if we provide 6, so now age is not greater than 6. So now you can also able to provide another operator that is greater than or equal. So here I'm going to write greater than or equal. So if the age is greater than or equal to 7, so it print true. And here is age, that is 8, so it print true. And here I'm going to make it 8, so the both values are 8. Here is 8. So now let's execute it. So it's true. And if I'm gonna make it 3, so let's check it. It print false. Okay, make it 30. So now let's check it. It's false. And you can also able to provide the lesser than equal sign. Here is the lesser than equal sign. And now let's check it. So if the age is less than or equal to 30, so 8 is less than or equal to 30. And here I'm gonna make it 8. And now let's check it. So it's true. And here you see that we have provided only one condition in the single if statement. But here if we want to provide another condition, so what we need to do, just write the variable. And here I'm gonna write if the age is greater than 7 and age is less than 10. So now in between these we must need to provide the operator. We are able to provide only two operators. First one is the AND operator, second one is the OR operator. So here I'm gonna provide the AND operator. This is the ampersand sign and its name is AND operator. So now what's the functionality of this operator? When the both conditions are true, when the age is less than 10, so it's true. When the age is greater than 7, so it also true. So it print this block of code when the both conditions are true. If this one or both conditions are false, so it print this statement. So now let's check it. So here is it's true, and you can also able to provide here 2, 3 or 4 or many conditions. And now here I'm gonna provide the OR sign. Here is the OR sign. So what's the function of this? So now here I'm gonna provide the OR operator. Here is the OR operator, and what's the function of this OR operator? The OR operator is used when the both conditions are true, so it print this block of code. When the single condition or the both conditions are true, it print this statement. When both conditions are false, then it print this statement. So now let's check it. This statement is also true and it also true. So now let's check it, and you can also provide here many other conditions.